Everyone, this is Suresh. I'm here to present a broad view of my mini project. We are a team of 4 members: me, Suresh Patil, Mahesh, Swami, and Teja. So, our project is basically deals with decision tree classification algorithms. Our main aim is to do a comparative study of two decision tree classification algorithms, ID3 and C4.5. So basically, let me take you to the decision tree. How does it actually looks? So firstly, what do we do is so let me take you an example. Um this is how the database looks like: name, rank, years, and tenured. What is our main aim is to find out whether the person can be tenured or not. So what do we do is we basically take the database, which is called training data, and we pass it through the classification algorithm so that we can form a classifier model. For example, take if rank is equal to professor, indeed professor, and or years greater than 6, then tenured is equal to yes, which means if if uh, someone named Bill is professor and his years is greater than 6, then he can be tenured, which can be assumed by looking at this database, and which is passed through the classifier algorithms, and then a classifier model is then formed. These we basically deal with these classifier algorithms, which are ID3 and C4.5. The ID3 algorithm, uh, so let me take you uh, to the to a database which can actually give you a broad view. So I'll take you to my example database. This is how. This is like whether the person can play tennis or not. Like outlook, temperature, humid, and wind are the attributes, and play is called the class attribute. It is called class by attribute because it gives the final output of the database. So my mini project output looks something like this. This is the front end which we designed an applet code, which we designed an applet. So first let me browse a database which is tennis. I'm done with it. And the class attribute, as you have already seen the database, it's play, and we are dealing with ID3 algorithm. The ID3 algorithm, uh, which which states that if the outlook is humid and and the and it is normal, then yes. If it is high, then no. If it is overcast directly, then it is yes. If wind is strong, no, and weak, yes. So um, this database, that is tennis database, can form a classifier within a time complexity of 5 milliseconds. So let us deal with C4.5. So when I did with the C4.5, it took 16 milliseconds, which states that ID3 uh, uh, is more efficient when compared to C4.5. But this is not true in case of different in case of other examples. For different examples, we get different outputs. So my study is that uh, no among these two algorithms, no two algorithms are greater than the other. uh, so the optimal solution cannot be uh, cannot be assumed using these two algorithms. uh, Basically, we have another algorithm, CART, which deals with the continuous range of values. We are going to discuss and show it in our future main project. Thank you. Thank you. Suresh Patil here. Submit.